Today I filled my nomination form as an Indian National Congress candidate, and I'm sure this time I'm going to come out victorious in the Navel constitution. हे दोन इलेक्शन पडा झगडा हांव इंडिपेंडंट कॅन्डिडेट आसलो. I was backed by them, no doubt. But now I have joined the Congress and I'm sure I'll win. It's nothing that I will join Congress and after winning I will switch on to any other party. Nothing like that. I'll win on a Congress ticket and I'll always stay loyal to Congress. That is my assurance and promise to everybody.
Sir, तू असता डेव्हलपमेंट आणि ह्या 5 वर्सां डेव्हलपमेंटा डिफरन्स कितें आसता?
See, 2012 आपण चिकोनेन ते जाणा जे लोकांचे रिक्वायरमेंट्स आसले ते सगळे फुलफिल केले. Even the manifesto which I had taken, I can proudly say I am the only MLA who has fulfilled my manifesto that time. Whatever requirements were there, I have done. If I go to name all the works that I have done, it is a big list. But starting, I can tell you the most important thing that I have done in Navel is the health center. Health center जो मुगले टर्म स्टार्ट झालो आणि मुगले टर्म इनॉग्रेशनय झालं. That is very essential for our Naveli people because even during COVID time, there was a lot of requirement where people needed. Even now on daily basis, पुणे ओडिशी ते 300 लोक येतात health center. And people are really very happy with the health center in Naveli. Like that, the indoor stadium खेळतो आहे. Indoor stadium also there are many boys who come to play. Even during COVID time, indoor patients, the COVID patients were kept there. It was of a great help even during that time. Then 3 stadium केले हैं फुटबॉल. एक जोरीवाडा, एक दावोली, एक सिंकेटी आणि एक तेलावली. 3 stadium कोणाले हैं. One Sinketi stadium is the floodlight stadium. And this one Naveli ground during the Super game I had upgraded the full ground. And the ground I nearly spent 1.5 crores. It was spent and given back to the church. So like that I have done a lot of development in Naveli. And now, whichever my pending projects were there, after losing Makankuru Melda because the next MLA took up, but the work which was left incomplete is incomplete. Kinds complete is Allah. So about Jiktori, I want to complete all the works that I had taken up during my term. See, people are very happy that I have joined Congress. As I go with my booklet, they see the hand and they say, okay, good that you have joined the Congress, we are with you. हम जाणे म्हणटा तू लास्ट 5 वर्सां तू MLA आसतना कितू काम केलें ती आणि जे तू लोकां मध्ये वागला ते भाशेन लायक विथ ऑल लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट आय हॅव ऑलवेज रिस्पेक्टेड माय पीपल फ्रॉम नावेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी एंड एवरीबडी ऑल्सो. So they are very happy that I am come back to Congress. Our family members were all with Congress right from the beginning. Only when I contested independent, that is the break that I got. Otherwise, we are always Congress members. And the requirement in Naveli is youth who are unemployed. That is the requirement for most of the parents and from the youth too. That they want employment. Even during my term, I had given 136 jobs in the government sector. But even in Venda Industrial State, I have given nearly 450 jobs where they are still working. The people also want jobs, so this time also more requirement is for jobs. I stress on jobs. Everybody can't get government jobs. But as I have given in industrial state, I can even manage in the industrial state if I'm elected and when I win.
Two women are contesting against you. So how are you looking at the women's side?
No, that is not going to make any difference. People by now have already chosen the candidate. They have decided and it is finalized. Nothing is going to change the mind of the people. Congress is already set in people's mind and I'm sure they are going to vote for hand this time and I'm going to come victorious.